chug race?
Chug race, bruh.
I win. You suck.
Back in college, bruh, I could have drank 2 of those beers before you even drank 1.
Well, yeah? Well, back in college, I could have beer bonged a 40 before you drank those 2 beers, bro.
How are things with Stacy, bro?
Bro, you know that's a touchy subject.
Yeah, well, things to me and Brittany are going pretty good.
Yeah? Well, I wouldn't be so sure about that.
What do you mean, bro?
I've been having sex with her. I know, right?
Well, I always knew she was kind of a slut, though.
Hey! You don't say that about your girlfriend.
Yeah. Well, maybe things would be going better with you and Stacy if I wasn't having sex with her.
Well, yeah. Well, maybe things between me and Stacy would probably be going better if she didn't catch me watching you guys have sex.
Bro.
What, bro? I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed one bit, bro.
I'm not ashamed either, bro.
Cool.
Cool, bro. Cool.
You can see how the bros will do anything to have an edge over the other. It is their competitive nature. See how they keep showing each other their wallets to express their worth?
Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah, ah, ooh, 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 ooh,
I've seen this fault of extreme pumping done by the less intelligent of the species.
You can usually spot a bro by its iconic smell, Axe body spray. And these bros seem to be covered in it. It's always best to carry water with you, as bros tend to have a fear of sobriety. But you'll want to stay away from these bros, because these...
Can you believe I got famous from this video?
Mark, you're not famous. And will you stop taking video of yourself? It's getting a little weird.
I was just making a video for YouTube.
You don't even get any views.
I get some views.
Why do you even care about your views?
I don't care that much, okay, about views, okay?
Okay, remember that video I made last month?
Yeah?
1 million hits.
Damn. 1 million hits?
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
money, money, money.